Namaste. Welcome to my channel, the UPSC Game. Once upon a time, in an age lost in memory, there lived heroes, not born, but evolved, forced by struggle, destined to become the saviors of a nation. Some rose to the top as the rank one, others took their first step with bold determination, while many still pondered their path, searching for the right strategy. And some found peace simply in becoming the part of journey. The heroes drew their strengths from divine figures, gods who were heroes themselves, not perfect but powerful, not without flaws but mighty through will, though handicapped in form, they turned their limitations into weapons with right strategy and carved a path to glory, founding a sacred city called Labasna, destined to be reached by young heroes. Inspired by these divine beings, a new generation of heroes rise, armed with dreams, sharpened by resolve, marching forward to serve, to write their own legends in the eternal book of service to the nation. I hope everyone liked this story and get inspired by it. So please like this video and share it. And if you are thinking of what strategy to follow, then this video is for you. In this video, we shall discuss about what strategy is the best in scientific way. But if you are a person who will be just satisfied by just any central job, you should think twice. Because my sir used to say, low aim is a crime. And it is the result of your lack of confidence on yourself. And it would also reflect in your personality during the interview. It would also kill your motivation and inspiration, which are very much needed in this journey. So get your mindset ready before even starting the journey. Nothing less than IAS should suffice your needs. Right? Then here I am. My name is Vijay. And I shall be your mentor all throughout your journey. And I shall also be your friend. And I have a tip here to learn efficiently. For example, you learn many things, but you are unable to remember them. This is a general problem for everyone, right? But I shall give you a trick here. Use this, you will understand the importance of scientific way of study. In general, the information is processed and stored in the brain in the packets of information known as schema, right? Many of the psychology optional students would remember it. And if you want to create a new patch of information, you have to understand the topic in depth and you have to first have the interest in it. But there comes the hack here. If you tag the related information to the already established information, you can easily retrieve or store the information easily. For example, everyone must know 1992 reforms, right? But how many of you can remember Montreal Protocol year? Yes, it was signed in 1987 and came into force in 1989, right? But those of you who can't remember this year, just attach this year to the already existing information in your brain, that is 1992. That is 5 years before the economic reforms. The Montreal Protocol has been signed. Well, is it not easy? It is, right? Such many psychological tricks are used by many toppers. And we shall give it to our students for free. Next, the main thing which the coaching institutes lack is everyone and me also at my initial stages have done the answer writing, static and optional too. But the major drawback is the daily news is expected to be done by the aspirant itself. But we don't have the reading habit. Many of us, right? So we leave the daily news. We do try for initial days, but later, to manage our time with the rest of the subjects, we shall leave it and go to the monthly or yearly supplements. But is it enough? They will just cover the topic superficially. And to get an overall understanding for the topics, you have to do the daily news, which all toppers have in common, and every topper does it. We here will get you through that analysis every day, and we also give you MCQs related to the topics, and we shall also brush the syllabus related to the topic, so that we shall know the structure of syllabus and how it will be useful when you ask that. For example, when you read the monetary policy or fiscal policy, you shall be reading FRBM, right? But how many of you remember FRBM Act while you are writing an answer on monetary policy or a fiscal policy or anything else related to the topic? Such structuring in brain occurs only through mastering the scientific way of study, and we shall train you in that. And what value would you get from our channel? We shall take you from the procrastination stage to staying consistent, at least with daily news. By daily news, I doesn't mean just the information given in the newspaper. When you see this, the tip of the iceberg, this information is given in all the newspapers, but this is the study or the analysis which I have done on the topic. And for every topic I shall be doing, and I shall make you do the same. So just go to my web, follow the procedure, and you will be able to download my resources freely. Well, what is the gain for me? Well, I also get to be consistent in my journey, and I do get some appreciation or motivation through my subscriptions and likes. So please guys, go to the UPSC channel and subscribe the channel. So click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my every video, and I shall be posting 8 to 10 videos per day based on the important current affairs per day. So without delay, please subscribe my channel and let's start our journey to be the future heroes, the next generation heroes who are going to be the steel frame of our nation. Jai Hind.
कृतज्ञाहम्